Take like a
Toilet.
breather. Get inside as a person.
But it don't really want to do that because the cars could run right into
Or
it.
you?
I don't know. That actually might be good for like a layer of protection. So the car hits you, bounces you off, and then you walk out.
Well, you gotta hope though that you time it correctly. That's the big thing. Now I think in here what a nice strategy would be is to poke the ground
and stuff will popping.
That'd be bad for you guys. You're the runners.
Yeah, you're the runner. No, because I'm a belly button. I'm a slide across. We're gonna slip and slide to the finish line. You know it. Oh. Now these cars drift anyway. If you put oil on the ground on top of that. And we got some pretty nice vehicles over here too. There's 2 segments of vehicles. Each driver gets 3 vehicles that they can use. So if they destroy all vehicles, they don't have anything left that they can use. And technically, the runners would win if all the vehicles. Absolutely. I don't know if speed or agility is the best thing that you're going to want for this type of death sadness. But I guess we'll find out when we start playing. So how it works is, the teams right now are Obi and I as runners in the civilian clothing so that our would-be slayers can see us very easily.
We're going to get you. We're going to run you over.
Yep.
So we are in our positions, Komodo and I.
Yep, I'm in my position too, waiting for old Gray over here.
I don't know which one I want first. I'm going with this one, the beautiful horse.
That's enough.
Beautiful horse.
Puppy.
Now, whatever one you pick,
Baba.
that's your side. So you